Welcome to Explore the Globe. Welcome to the land where nature breathes poetry, where history stands tall, and where the rivers whisper ancient secrets. The soul of India's northeast, a land called Assam. I made this video using AI. If you want to learn how to make video with AI and grow your audience, comment me, I will guide you.
Welcome, dear travelers, to the mesmerizing land of Assam, where every corner holds a tale of nature, history, and culture. Today, let me take you on a journey through 10 of the most breathtaking places you must visit in this jewel of Northeast India. Welcome, dear travelers, to the mesmerizing land of Assam, where every corner holds a tale of nature, history, and culture. Today, let me take you on a journey through 10 of the most breathtaking places you must visit in this jewel of Northeast India.
So our first stop takes us deep into the heart of the wild, the legendary Kaziranga National Park. Imagine yourself standing in a vast grassland, mist hanging low over the horizon. Suddenly, there it is, the majestic one-horned rhinoceros, a creature found almost nowhere else in the world. Tigers prowl the dense forest, elephants roam in herds, and birds fill the skies. Kaziranga isn't just a national park, it's a world of wonder, a UNESCO World Heritage Site waiting for you to discover its secrets.
Next, we drift along the mighty Brahmaputra River to a place unlike any other, Majuli Island, the largest river island in the world. Picture this: rustic huts, monks chanting prayers in age-old monasteries, and people living harmoniously with nature. Life here moves at its own pace, untouched by the chaos of the world outside. Majuli is more than an island, it's a sanctuary of peace and tradition.
Now from serenity, we move to spirituality at the sacred Kamakhya temple in Guwahati. They say this temple holds mysteries of life, death, and rebirth. Perched on the Nilachal hill, Kamakhya is one of the most revered Shakti Peethas in India.
Next, our journey takes us to Siv Sagar, the historical capital of the mighty Ahom dynasty. Siv Sagar, a land of grand temples and majestic palaces. The Ahoms ruled for over 6 centuries, and their legacy stands tall in monuments like the Rang Ghar, the Toletal Ghar, and the Siv Sagar Tank. As you walk through these sites, it feels like time itself pauses to share stories of kings and warriors. Now it's time for nature lover. For those who seek nature's raw beauty, let's head to Manas National Park. Nestled at the foothills of the Himalayas, Manas is a wild paradise, home to the elusive Bengal tiger, golden langurs, and pygmy hogs. The park isn't just a heaven for wildlife, it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a biosphere reserve. The rivers, forests, and grasslands create a symphony of life here.
Now let's row our boat to the enchanting Umananda Island, the smallest river island in the world. In the middle of the Brahmaputra River, this tiny island houses the Umananda temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Legend has it that Shiva meditated here, away from the hustle of the heavens. As you explore the island, you'll feel a calmness settle over you, as if time has stopped.
Our next destination is Tezpur, the cultural capital of Assam. Here, ancient myths and legends come to life. It's a town steeped in stories of love and war. As you stroll through its streets, you'll see ancient temples and monuments, each telling a tale of its own. The scenic beauty of Tezpur is simply breathtaking, with the Brahmaputra flowing serenely alongside.
Next, we climb up to Assam's only hill station, Haflong. Imagine waking up to the sight of misty hills, lush greenery, and serene lakes. Haflong is perfect for those who love adventure and tranquility alike. Whether it's trekking through the hills or simply soaking in the beauty of nature, Haflong will steal your heart.
And so, our journey through Assam comes to an end. But remember, dear travelers, the stories of this land never truly end. They live on in its rivers, forests, temples, and hills, waiting for you to discover them, waiting for you to be part of the tale. So pack your bags and let Assam weave its magic around you. The land of blue hills and